In the year 1898, something was born that would change the lives of timber hauliers all over the world. It began, just like all success stories usually do, on a small scale. In Färila, in the heart of Sweden, a small forge for agricultural and forestry products was started. At that time, the business mainly involved manufacturing equipment for transporting timber from the forest using horses and sledges or horse-drawn carriages. Back then, nobody could have ever predicted that in the future, timber would be transported using vehicles where the driver can handle everything, from loading and securing to unloading from inside the truck cabin. Nor could anyone have foreseen that the small forge would evolve into a state-of-the-art facility producing world-leading products in the field of securing cargo. But in reality, it wasn't so surprising, because we have always been working towards the same goal: to make the transportation of timber safe, easier and more profitable. Now, 125 years have passed since the doors of the forge were opened, and we feel incredibly proud of the progress we have made and the products we can offer today. But don't think for a moment that we are satisfied. We will continue to listen to our customers, think outside the box, build our professional skills, and develop even better products to improve the everyday lives of drivers and hauliers worldwide. A big thank you to all our customers and collaborators. Now, let's keep going for another 125 years, at least. XD, securing cargo. We invented the concept.